I totally call next.
Look at that. It doesn't need to be taped. Look at that.
Share.
Let's use the foam swords to beat up Mr. Moore.
Jessica.
No, wait for it to go. He didn't think
Go for his leg.
that's what I was expecting.
Oh, he's a win. He's not ready. Oh. Is it Eric Marshall?
Go ahead, second.
Wait.
It already flying.
Hey, John.
This is when you guys make your shield. If you want to put a strap on it, you totally can. And this is why. See?
Shall we?
Hit him in the knees.
No, don't hit your knees. You're not allowed to hit below right here.
Go for his head.
Both of you at the same time.
All right.
Okay, your spaulders come loose.
All right, guys. I hate to have to make you do this, but you guys got to go to next week.
No!
We'll fight later today for you, okay?
But like I said,